This is the organ dissection for the stomach. So what I'll go ahead and do is notice where the spleen is. Remember, it's attached to the stomach via the greater omentum. I'm going to point to it with my probe, and then I'll go ahead and do the dissection. So I want to start from one end of the stomach and cut through to the other end. Be really careful not to cut the spleen. So let's start down at this end. There might be some stuff in the stomach, and I'll tell you in just a moment what that is. Looks like part of it is coming out right now. The stuff you see coming out of the stomach is called meconium. Your teacher will talk to you about exactly what the meconium is. It's a little tough to dissect because there's a lot of meconium coming out of there, but just be patient and you will get it done. Okay. Now for inside the stomach, remember this stuff is called meconium. There are two different sphincters that we got to know about. The first sphincter is something called the lower esophageal sphincter. And that is located right over here. You can actually put your probe inside of it and follow the path to where the food comes from the esophagus, and that's why it's called the lower esophageal sphincter. This used to be known as the cardiac sphincter. The other sphincter is right here, and it's the one that attaches the stomach to the small intestine. As you can see, I'm putting my probe inside of it. This one is called the pyloric sphincter.